Hi, y'all. So I didn't get anything for Christmas. At least I didn't get a doll. So I had a great idea. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping for new dolls. When I was a kid, I used to just hang out on the doll aisle in the toy section. There would be humongous toy sections, even in the grocery store. I went to stores like Walmart. No, it wasn't a Walmart. A Kmart, a store called J and Phil's, Sears. And I would just hang out while my mom did other shopping. It was safe then, I guess. But I always stayed there and just daydreamed about, I want this doll and I want that doll. So I want to kind of relive that a little bit. So I'm going to go to the store. It's after Christmas. Hopefully there's some sales. And let's just hang out and see what dolls are available, what's new. And I might fill up a buggy. You never can tell. I got some little extra cash since I didn't spend any for Christmas on me. And here we go on the road to Walmart. Son, please don't get in my eyes. I didn't listen. And here we are at the Walmart, my local Walmart. We're gonna see what they got in fashion dolls today. Aren't we, honey?
Yes, we are, absolutely.
He's a good partner in crime. Just get a whole roll. Just get a whole roll of buggies. No, we'll start with 2. Maybe 2 buggies will be enough. And let's go into the store. Where's the toy section in here? No toys there. I spot some toys. So in the new Bratz line, they have 2 dolls. They have this one, Bratz Kylie, 2 Bratz Kylie. Should I get 2 or 1? Do you like the short dress or the long dress? She's got a dog. What do you think, honey?
The box is damaged on that one.
Yeah, the box is damaged. Let's find a pretty, I don't know if I like the long dress or I like the one with the little dog and the hair up.
That one is
Let's just put them both in the buggy. But that one ain't good, is it? Oh, they got a handle. First 2 that go into the buggy today. That's kind of high, $30. For Bratz, they got 1, 2, 3. Load them up. What do they have in the Barbie movie? They still got the first one, $24.97. I really think her face is kind of ugly. They got 2 actually. They got this one and they got this one. That one's 22, this one's 24. Which one do you think they made the most of? This one or this one? This one or this one? And here's the matching can. Don't know if I like that outfit. It's kind of 80s, 90s, whatever. And here's the other can and the surfing outfit. Which one do you like, honey?
I like the surfing one because it's fun at the beach.
This one's made in 22.
And it's a little older, so it might be more collectible.
I just don't know. This one's 23. We'll just keep going. Now these dolls down here, I really like. I like this dress. And they're only $12.97. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink, green, orange, purple. There's orange and pink. Rainbow highs, or this is a junior high. They got this one. They got this one with the purple skin, not too crazy about. And they got this one with the lavender skin, not too crazy about. And they got this one with the green skin. It's not skin. Okay, yeah, I don't know if I like these dolls or not. I do like the long hair on this one, but let me think about it. And I kind of like the wild orange and pink hair on this one. We'll see. It's on sale, maybe $19. We've got this shadow high. This shadow high. I like the pink yarn sort of looking hair. It doesn't look soft. And then this one, this one, this one, and this one. On the juniors, they got 2. If you're into pink, there's a cute little pinky. And if you're into the brighter colors, there's the orange and yellow and pink hair. Video, OMG, fierce. She's pretty fierce and swag. And then I think I like this one. Got a lot of things going on her face. Outrageous millennial girls. Ooh. Yeah. The LOL twins are kind of cute. Add them to the baggie. So these would be more our budget dolls. $5.97. Just a plain little doll, no articulation hardly. Painted on swimsuits. I think I'm gonna skip on these. Yeah, let's skip these dolls. This one's $11, the mermaids. New Monster Highs. We gotta see what they got in the new Monster Highs. Who is this one? This one is Claudine Wolf. She's pretty popular doll for the Monster High. What is that extra hair? Put her in the buggy.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the next Monster High they got? This one is Frankie Stein. I really like Frankie Stein. They're not as ugly as the old ones or as scary. Put her in the baggie. There's another one. The one with the red hair, honey. The one with the red hair. Boop, boop. Right there.
Oh.
Right in front of you. I don't even know how you say her name. She's a Monster High. She's got ears.
Sweet
Funny
fangs.
ears, dog ears. Sweet fangs. Okay, that's Sweet fangs. Just seeing how many they got here. And let's move on down. Draculara. She's pink. She's kind of cute. So here's my buggies. This is what I've got so far. Hey, they're not full. And this is another Barbie You Can Be Anything teacher with a little student right there. Looks like a kindergarten student. Got a little play set back there. Yeah, looks for like a really young child. Got the 1, 2, 3s and some ABCs and a computer. Teachers have to have computers nowadays, that's for sure. Barbie doctor. She's got a couple little babies in the nursery, like they're newborns. And they're kind of cute. Her stethoscope's got a heart. And here's where it looks in the back. She's a 23 doll. Cute, cute, cute. And this one's got to be my favorite. It's the kitty Condo. We've got little kitties. My son bought his cats one of these and they won't even get on it. These dolls look kind of plain, no articulation in the knees. But I do love all the little kittens that come with her. And there she is playing with them on the back. Stroll and play pups. A little striped dress, kind of plain. The cute thing with these dolls are the accessories. The little stroller with the puppies, and this one came out in 2019, and they still got some in the store. So they must have made a lot of these. And the 2021 Barbie with the little dog, and it has babies. And there's where you're gonna carry them in a pouch. And see, they go up inside the dog, and there's the little baby, the doggy bed, and she's down on her knees with her dog. Dogs give birth to. These are $21.97. These are more definitely for kids. Little play sets, they're cute. Here's the Skipper. Babysitters Inc. this year. Or if I want to Skipper Babysitters Inc. She comes with a cute little baby and a bassinet with a mobile over the top and a little bear and all kind of little goodies and a bottle. And this is the Barbie Skipper Babysitters Inc. This is the 2022 version. She's got her little baby in a diaper. It's mouth wide open, ready for that bottle right there. And it's got a little cradle, and some little play toys. And I guess it really sets the bottle. Look at that. Oh, it's cute. This is last year's. Let's look at this year's. Barbie Kayaking 2021. Like that kayak. She's got her vest. She's the chubby doll. I don't know if that's the right term for them, but they must have made a bunch because they're out here just having a good time at the campfire. And here's another camping doll, the 2022. I guess she's friends with her because on the back they go camping together. And she's got her backpack and a bunch of accessories. So I'm not showing what I got today just because I'm hurting on time getting the video ready. But join me next Sunday and I'll show you what I got. I think I got 10 dolls and something extra. I bought a whole line of one of them. Which one do you think I bought? Oh, yeah, I had to put some back. But anyway, we'll see next week. So come back and join me and let's see which ones I got. And till next time, bye.